Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2005 Lincoln Town Car headlight replacement, high beam, low beam. Basically the headlight assembly. You got these Torx bits. It's a T20 Torx bit. Holds the panel in place along here. A couple screws down here for your beautiful panel. I believe this is a low beam. Push the button here, tab, to release it. It turns out. Goes in, twist it in, probably push and twist to get it in. And this is your high beam here. Yeah. So I was fighting this one, getting this to lock into place, so I just loosened these two little screws. Are also like T20s, just loosen them a little bit, then this turned into its proper spot, no problem, and then I tightened them up. And this one I couldn't figure out myself, so I'm just taking this whole thing out. I think it also turns and releases, but I was not having any luck. So I thought I'd just unscrew it, since there's only two screws, and there it is. And it just unplugs. Has a little notch on there. It fits on the top in here. I think I'll put the screws in there loosely till it's all together, and then it'll be good. So if you have problems with these turning off and turning on, just go ahead and loosen these up. So we'll put our bulbs in that we're replacing, and then put it back together. So we got 3 screws. Looks like some options there. Flat blade or 8mm is what I used for the 3 screws. You got one here, and one here. And then a release tab here. You're going to be pushing down on this tab to release it. And it slides into that slot there. It catches on it. Let's see how it'll go here. Encourage this to go in over here. Kind of popped into place there, but there's the tab. We'll need to push down to be able to pull it out. Kind of locks it in place. And put your 3 screws in, or out as the case may be. A nice little hole that's needed for going straight down there. Got my little gun here with an extension. Low battery. We'll just tighten those all down. Now there's this cover which goes on here. So when I got to it though, there's really only one screw that was in place. Everything else was missing. So you're gonna have more, assuredly. This was in here. Somehow you push it, it says remove counterclockwise. So maybe just install it, you turn it. Not sure anything's really happening though. So there's one there. There was something here, here, here as well. It's broken. And then one over here. Just gonna push this over. This knobby. So they've all been broken previously. So, and there's also a push pin I took out right in here. Right in here. It's just a friction fit. Pull it in, pull it out, probably with like a pliers or something like that. And then, yeah, push it in with your hand. So, certainly not like new in 2005, but there we are. Headlight replacement, 2005 Lincoln. What? Lincoln Town Car, 2005. Let's check to make sure they work. Headlights on. Oh, haha. I didn't plug it in. Silly. I'll probably reach in here though. Pull this off. So don't forget to plug and unplug the assembly here. Just a little tab to push. Click. Right there.